Okay, here at the cat, we're looking right now at the larynx. I'm not doing the details on the exam on the cat. We have the details on our model. We have the trachea, posterior to the trachea. We can have visibly here, it's almost attached still in this case, is the esophagus also as part of it. Then we come to the lungs with the inferior lobe and the with the superior lobe and the inferior lobe. I don't have you name any of the ones in between. The bronchial tree, we also do all the models. We have the diaphragm. We have here also, don't keep track of the internal or external intercostal muscles. This would be internal, the external would be more on the outside. Then coming to the digestive system, we are starting with the liver. Here we have the gallbladder. And the bile duct runs inside of the lesser omentum, which is within the lesser curvature of the stomach. The stomach is huge. Too bad it doesn't have nice rugae, so I don't point out to this. The hiatus is the area through the diaphragm where the esophagus comes through. And then we have on the greater curvature of the stomach, the greater omentum here very nicely, which usually covers all these areas. The greater omentum is on the inside. You can see the attachment to the pancreas, and you can see the pancreas moving all across parallel to the duodenum. So the stomach in itself, which connects to the duodenum, right here we have the pyloric sphincter, the pylorus region, the body. High on top is the fundus, and the cardiac region is actually right the area. It's hard to see here, so I will not do it. I will do it on the model too, where we have the esophagus coming in. So from the duodenum ends roughly at this curve here, going into the jejunum. So if we follow it all the way through, we come to the ileum going into the large intestine, starting with the cecum, which is just this bubble thing. The ileocecal valve is right here. And then we have the colon going around. It's not quite as quadratic as the human ones. This is mesocolon. And then here we have the colon going down. If you think about the rectum, it would be deep down here inside already of this part. What I've not mentioned is the blood supply and the arteries and veins and the nerves for the small intestine are located here within the proper mesentery, which is very nicely visible, which is also part of the peritoneal tissue parts.